Hi all, I am planning to start a series of videos for mainframe developers who wants to learn Java, in fact Java full stack. So the prerequisite of this video are following. Number one, a person needs to know mainframe. He can or she can be a mainframe developer or mainframe admin. Second prerequisite is person wants to learn Java technology. So what I'm going to cover in this tutorial and the subsequent tutorials are I will talk about mainframe and I will relate the things which mainframe programmers already know while doing programming or admin stuff in mainframe. I will relate those things with Java technology. So let's start. Here I'm going to write mainframe. Let me adjust this mic a little bit. Give me 1 second time, please. Hopefully it is going to work fine now. Mainframe, and here I will write Java. So mainframe people who already have knowledge of mainframe, they know that COBOL is the programming language. DB2 is the database usually used by mainframe developers. Then CICS is the front end, means using CICS mainframe application developer develops not web page but screen for user. It is customer information control system. And JCL proc, this is used for means creation of job to execute a program. And one important thing is s.st, which is SPOOL spool. So when mainframe developers, when they code a program in changeman or endeavor or panvalid, these are version repository. So in these version repository, changeman, panvalid or endeavor, mainframe application developer code their program using COBOL, DB2, CICS, and then they move it to UAT or QA, and they execute. If it is a batch program, they execute using job, and the job result can be seen in spool. So this is what we all know. All mainframe developers know this thing. Now similarly, let's try to see what we have in Java side, one-to-one mapping of what we have seen in the mainframe side. Here what we have in Java side. Java is the language, then it can be DB2 or Oracle or any other database, then in mainframe, like we have CICS, one technology using which mainframe application developer develops the screen for user. In Java side, in the distributed side, I would say it is HTML CSS for styling, cascade style sheet, JavaScript, and framework which usually these days people are using are Angular or I know Angular, and that is what I'm going to share here. But there is one more famous framework from Facebook. It is React.js. Angular 6 I'm going to talk about here. And the place, like the place where usually in organization people write code, is IDE, and it is Eclipse or IntelliJ for that matter. And in mainframe, people who have worked on Java on mainframe, they know that there is an IDE exists for Java on mainframe people, and that is RDZ or IDZ. So for mainframe people, the IDE is IDZ or RDZ, or they can directly log in into mainframe emulator like Roomba and use a repository version controller. There they can write their code. There they can do check in, check out, and write their code. In Java side, we have IDE, Eclipse or IntelliJ, and we have Bitbucket or TFS. For these two, Bitbucket or TFS, are the repository where Java developer do check in, check out in a branch, and then they merge the child branch with the main branch and push the code. So this is one-to-one mapping of what we see here in mainframe. These are the one-to-one mapping in Java side, or you can say distributed side. Now let me close this video. Now we'll talk about in the next video that when we want to learn Java is a vast technology stack. As I mentioned here, it comprises of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, core Java, advanced Java, then RESTful web services, Spring, Hibernate. A lot of things are there. So where to start, and how much to learn to become UI developer, how much to learn to become server-side developer, and how much learn to become full stack Java developer. We'll talk about all this in our next video. Thank you for watching.